Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entry App, India's #1 app for the preparations of competitive examinations like banking, SSC, railway or other state level examination. I am Kashish Goyal, your reasoning mentor having an experience of 3 years in banking competitive sector. So in the last class, as you know that we have done a puzzle that is on month and date based. So today we are going to do puzzle on week based. But before that, I have given you a question in the last puzzle that is a month and date based. So first of all, we are going to solve that one. So the puzzle is this one. Okay, so this was the puzzle that we have given you for the homework in the month and date based puzzle. So let's see how to make it. So 6 persons that are A to F checked in a hotel on different date of 3 months, that is March, April and May. The dates are 4 and 23. So what I have told you how to solve such type of puzzle. First of all, arrange the dates and month according to as they appear in the calendar. Okay, so first of all it will be March, that is 4 and 23. Then it will be April 4 and 23. Then it will be May 4 and 23. Okay, it will be the format. Now first information, A checked in after D checked in. Okay, so A must be somewhere after D. They are not saying immediate, they are saying A checked in after D checked in. So it must be like this. If somewhere it is D, then below it somewhere be A, because I have adjusted the dates according to the calendar as they appear in calendar. So it is obvious that A must be somewhere after D. Okay, next, B checked in March on even number date. Okay, so March and even number is only 4, so it is obvious that there you must have B. Clear? Next, C checked in after E but not on 4th of May. Okay, so for first thing, that C must be after E, that is for sure. So after E it must be C, but C can't be on 4th of May. Done. Next, C checked in after F but not in March and April. Okay, so what we have, that C must be also after F, that is also obvious, but not in March and April. So if C can't be in March and April, so it can be on May 4 or 23, but it is already given that C can't be on 4th May. So it is obvious that the only possibility for C is May 23. Is it clear? Next, there are 3 persons checked between C and F. So between C and F there must be 3 persons. So 1, 2, 3, F must be here. Is it clear? Next, A note checked in on even number date. So A note be on even number. So we have 3 places left. So it is 4, 23 and 4, but A can't be on even number. So it is obvious that A must be here on odd number, and A must be after D. So it is obvious that D must be here. Yes or no? And the last that we have left person is E. So E will be here, and this will be the final formation. Is it clear or not? Done. The easy one. Okay, and if you are preparing for RRB right now, and this type of puzzle will be surely asked in your RRB examination, the level of examination will be easy, that is for sure. Clear? So now moving on to the question that we are doing today, that is the week based puzzle. So there you have the question that is based on week based puzzle, and I am giving you exact 3 minutes to solve the question. So the timer starts now. Okay, so just solve it fast and answer me in the comment section box, and you have to answer me the formation of puzzle. Okay, that the person starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. So just do it fast. One minute up guys, 1 minute is up. Just hurry up, answer me in the comment section box. Last 1 minute, guys. Hurry up. Last 10 second, guys. Last 10 second. Okay, so the time is going to just up. Only 5 second remaining. Okay, that's it. So time's up. So I have given you exact 3 minutes, and it will be more than enough. Okay, it will be more than enough, because if you are doing the preparations very well, you can easily make it in from 2 to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, it will be exact timing. Okay, you can make it in just within this time, but I've given you 3 minutes to just make sure that you will just understand the points very carefully and just do calmly. Okay, we don't want to be in hurry up right now. Okay, so now let's start solving the question. So we have 7 students, that is A to G, and joining different hobby classes. So we have different hobby classes, and they don't join on 7 different days of the week, starting from Monday to Sunday. Okay, but not necessarily in the same order. So we have to first make a table, and we have to start from Monday. Okay, so first of all Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, and in the last we have Sunday. Okay, so we have to make a table like this. So first thing, D did not join singing. So first thing, can you place it here in the table? No. So first of all we need D, and D does not join singing. Okay, now only 2 friend joins between G and C. So between G and C there must be 2 person, but we don't know the placement of G and C, that G is before or after. So you can't place it in table, so you have to just make an information. So between G and C there are 2 person, but don't know who is before and who is after whom. Okay, next, only 2 friends join after D. So after D there must be only 2 person. So it is obvious that D must be on Friday, yes or no. Clear? Next, E did not opt for chocolate making. Okay, so E did not opt for chocolate making. Done. Next, only 2 friends joined classes between D and the one who joined chocolate making. So if D is here on Friday, can chocolate making be after Friday? No, because there are only 2 days or 2 person after D, but we need 2 person between D and chocolate making. So it is must be before. So leaving 2 on Tuesday, it must be a person who will join chocolate making, but it can't be E, that is for sure. So on Tuesday you can't have E because it is already given. Next, only 3 friends join classes between the person who joined chocolate making and dancing. So if chocolate making is here, dancing can't be before. So 1, 2, 3, dancing must be on Saturday. Done. Next, the one who likes pottery joined on Thursday. So this person must join pottery. Next, only 1 friend joined between G and the one who joined cooking. Okay, so if you don't know about the placing of G, so you can't have cooking as well. So G and cooking, there must be 1 person between them, but don't know who is before and who is after whom. Next, B joined cake making and was not the first person to join the class. Okay, so B must join the cake making, but not the first person. It means B can't be on Monday, that is for sure. Okay, so B can be on Wednesday and B can be on Sunday. There are 2 possibilities. So right now I can't make it 2 possibility because we have left only with one last statement. So we will take it down here that B must join cake making, but B can't be here. Next, A joined class on the day immediately before the one who joined pottery. Okay, so if pottery is here, then it is obvious that A must be here, yes or no. Now for B, the possibilities was Wednesday and Sunday that I have already told you. So on Wednesday it is already A, so it is obvious that B must be here and B must be having cake making. Done. Next, so we have to put now these information. Okay, so see, between G and C there must be 2 persons. So what are the possibility for G? that suppose if you are putting G on Monday, so leaving 2, C can be on Thursday, and leaving 1, there must be cooking. So if G is on Monday, cooking can be on Wednesday. It is possible. So G can be on right now on Monday. This is possibility. After that, if G is on Tuesday, leaving 2, C can't be on Friday, so this can't be possible for G. Now if G is on Thursday, now if you are putting G on Thursday, leaving 1 we need must be cooking. So leaving 1, cooking can't be here, and leaving 1, cooking can't be here. So there is no possibility for G on Thursday. And if you are putting G on Saturday, leaving 2, C can't be on Wednesday. So it is obviously the only possibility for G is on Monday, leaving 1, Wednesday it must be cooking, and leaving 2, C must be on Thursday. Yes or no? Is it clear or not? Done? Okay. Now, next, what can we have? That E can't be on this position on Tuesday. So it is obvious that E must be on Saturday, and last person F must be here. Yes or no? Then now D can't opt for singing. So singing can't be here. So the only possibility singing must be here. Yes or no? And the last we have left, let's see what we have left. Painting is done. No, painting is not done. So painting must be here. So this will make our final formation. Is it clear or not? Done. So now we will see the questions on this. So first question is, on which of the following day of the week did D join the classes? So D joined on Friday. So answer will be Friday, that is option number C. Done. Now question number 2, who among the following joined the cooking classes? So let's see who joined the cooking classes. So cooking classes joined by A. So answer will be option number C. Done. Last question number 3, who among the following joined the singing classes? Okay, so singing is joined by G. So answer will be option number D. Clear or not? Done. So these were the question based on the given puzzle. Okay, and it is very easy. If you are preparing hardly for RRB, so such type of puzzle will be asked. That is for sure. Okay, that will be not be a moderate level. It will be of easy level. Clear? Now it comes to be your turn. That is the homework question. So you have to do this homework question, and you have to answer me of this question in the comment section box. Okay, you have to answer me in the comment section box what will be the formation, and the day starting from Monday. So you have to answer me completely like this. You have to start the important part, that is the online preparations of each and every subject. Okay, as you know that all the examinations are now online based, so we are giving a platform to attempt the mocks and quizzes on our entry app. So attempt the free quizzes, you can just go in the description box and you can find the link to attempt the free quizzes. So what you have to do, you have to just log in our app. Okay, or when you click on the link, you will taken to directly our app, and there you have practice session, and there you have lots of quizzes. These are the full mocks, and these are the individual topic wise quizzes. Okay, so whenever you're clicking on like this, if I'm preparing for RRB, if I'm clicking on RRB, you will get topic wise quizzes. And the most important thing that we are giving you in the entry app or in the quiz section, that we are giving analysis. This is very important, because you are attempting the quiz, but if we don't know how many questions are right, how many are wrong, how many average duration you are taking on each question, and total time you are taking, there is no benefit of that. So we are giving you complete analysis of that. Is it clear? So just go in the description box, click on the link, and you can just attempt the free mocks as well. Okay, now one more important thing, that is our premium video. Like I have given you only one question that is based on week based. Okay, or in the previous videos we have given you 1 or 5 questions. Okay, so if you want to complete tricks and complete knowledge how the questions will be asked, so there you have a section that is in our app, that is video classes, and the link is also in the description box. Okay, so whenever you're clicking on video classes, you will get a window like this. Okay, in which you have different courses like banking foundations course, RRB courses, and speed tricks as well. Okay, so we have different section in this. So whenever you're clicking on any of them, like if you're clicking on RRB, so you will get my videos there on different topics. Clear? So you can just go and click on the link in the description box and watch my videos all on our entry app. Clear? So this is all what we have in today's session. Just don't forget to like our video, comment me everything that you want to know in the comment section box, and do share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.